Okay, I had some requests that I do a little video of this woodpecker door knocker in action. So, well, here we go. I mounted it to my fence here, and you get to see it in action and hear it. See, I used tongue drum technology for the knocker here. This is actually cut out all the way around here, and it's hollow inside, and underneath here you can see some sound holes there, and that allows it to make that sound. Nice loud sound. You're going to hear it indoors if it's mounted on your door, or if it's on your door jamb. It's really neat. It's unique. Not I don't know if anybody has it, so you could actually own this. If somebody buys this one, I can make plenty more of them. Okay, this is something I thought up. I think it's really cool. So message me. Let me know if you want one. Okay, $39.95. They're handmade, hand-built, and, well, very unique. Something very nice to have out in the front of your house for people to come over. So, there it is. Take care.